right, let's get started with math today. Again, you'll want your whiteboard today. We're only going to use it quickly at the beginning. You are going to need your math book again, the same one as yesterday with the Module 1 Topic H on the front. And today I am on the Lesson 32 problem set. Lesson 32 problem set. And I guess you'll mostly be looking for a number bond with 5 at the top. Okay, so go ahead and grab those materials. Find your Lesson 32 problem set. Make sure you see number 1, okay? Because there are 2 pages to this problem set. We want to make sure we're starting on number 1. All right, I'm going to set this aside because I don't need it yet. Today we are going to continue finding those missing parts, first graders. It's a very, very important skill that we need to know how to do. And there are 2 ways we've been practicing, okay? Our I can statement has them both in it. Let's read. I can use adding and subtracting to find a missing part. Right, so that means we're talking about adding to find a missing part, like 6 plus something equals 10. Or we're using subtracting. 10, and we're taking away the part we know, take away 6, equals something. So yesterday we just focused on the subtraction part. Today we're going to bring this adding part back in to keep on practicing. All right, I'm going to erase this, grab your whiteboard and your marker, and let's get started. Today we are going to be talking about those missing parts again, like I said. So our story problems will give us a whole number, and our story problems will give us a part. We have to figure out what the rest or the other part is. Okay, here I go. I had 6 stickers. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and write this one today. I had 6 stickers. Okay. One was red, the rest were blue. How many stickers are blue? All right. Okay, let's read it through one more time. I had 6 stickers. 1 was red, the rest were blue. How many stickers are blue? Okay, we only know how many I have and how many are red. We don't know how many are blue. That's what we need to figure out using the information they gave us. Okay, so remember Mrs. Garris said we're using adding and subtracting again today. What I'm going to start with is a picture, okay? A picture helps me visualize the story. It helps me get my mind started and get it moving on getting my answer. So I know that I had 6 stickers. So a quick math drawing is going to be 6 quick circles. Okay. All right, I had 6 stickers and 1 was red. Boys and girls, this is where we can either cross out or we can circle the one we know. Okay, look, I could do both even. This is the part I know. I know that one of them are red. I need to know the ones that are blue. Now that I've separated the one that's red, I can see how many are blue. How many do you see? 5 of them. 5 are blue. Now we're not finished. We need to make a number bond. Okay. We knew I had 6 stickers. 1 was red. And now we see 5 is blue. 5 are blue. Now Mrs. Garris, our I can statement today said we were using adding and subtracting, and I don't see any of that here. Do you, first grader? So we need to go ahead and do that part. Let's start with adding. Adding is where we take 2 parts. So we knew that 1 sticker was red plus some more that were blue, would give us 6 stickers altogether. Okay? We found that this other part, 1 and 5, make 6. Is that true? Does 5 and 1 more give us 6? 5, 6. Yep. Okay. Now subtraction. What number do I need to start with to subtract? I need to start with the number 6 because it's my whole number. 6 take away 1, the part we knew, equals something. If we had 6, we separated 1. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. We found the same missing part with 2 different number sentences. Awesome sauce. All right, let's go ahead and try some in our math book now. As I said at the beginning, we're on the lesson 32 problem set. Okay, we have 2 story problems on this page. The number bond at the top has a 5. That's kind of what you're looking for. Pause me if you need some more time to find it or need to ask a grown-up, and then I will get going here. All right, first, let's read the directions. It says solve. Use simple math drawings to show how to solve with addition and subtraction. Label the number bond. Ooh, that's something we didn't do in our last problem, so we can practice that. Remember, labeling is when we put like a letter on each part to show which part belongs to who or what, okay? So, number 1 says, there are 5 apples. Ah, look, 5's already there. 4 are Sam's, the rest are Jim's. How many apples does Jim have? Okay, immediately, like I said, I'm thinking about my picture because that's going to help me envision this story. There are 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are my 5 apples. 4 are Sam's. How can I figure out how many are Jim's if I know 4 of them are Sam's? I can separate those 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those ones are Sam's. Ooh, Sam. What letter does Sam begin with? S. So I'm going to label my part in my number bond with an S. These 4 are Sam's. These ones will be Jim's with a J. Okay, can you see now how many are Jim's? Just 1. Jim has 1 apple. Okay, now we have our number sentences here. They've already put our whole number here for us. They have it with the equal sign in the addition problem, and they have it first in the subtraction problem. Good, they followed the rules. All right, we started with knowing that 4 apples are Sam's. We didn't know how many were Jim's. That gave us 5. Okay, but then when we draw our picture, we saw that 1 was Jim's. Now we had 5 apples. Take away, we separated 4 of them. That left us 1 apple. I am circling so that I remember those are my missing parts, which also tells me my answer. Jim has 1 apple. This should not say 4. This should not say 5. This answer is your missing part. That is your answer. Okay? Great work. Let's try number 2. All right. Number 2 says, there are 8 mushrooms. 5 are black, the rest are white. How many mushrooms are white? Okay, I want you to try to start this one out on your own. Okay, I'll read it again. Start your picture. See if you can start filling in your number bond. There are 8 mushrooms. 5 are black, the rest are white. How many mushrooms are white? Go ahead and start your math picture. Okay, hopefully you drew or are drawing 8 circles to show those 8 mushrooms. Okay, we know 5 are black. I'm going to put that in my number bond. And remember, we're labeling. So these 5 are what color? Black. What letter does black start with? A B. Good. And the rest are white with a W. Okay, so we know 5 are black. 5 are black. The rest are white, and all together there are 8. Right? 8 take away something equals something. Oh, how do we get this last part? What haven't we done in our picture? Shown that 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle it or cross it out so you know that this is the other part we're looking for, right? 5 plus 1, 2, 3 gives us 8. That means 8 take away, what did we separate in our picture? 5 equals what? 3. Now, since you labeled your number bond, you know this number shows black ones and this number shows white ones. Blank mushrooms are white. What number is in the white section of your number bond? Yes, that missing part is 3. 3 mushrooms are white. Awesome job, guys. All right, I know we've been working on so many story problems, and you're doing a great job. The last thing for you to do today is to go to Seesaw and finish up that exit ticket for me. Don't forget, you need a math picture. You need to finish the number bond, and if you label, you get extra points. If you label your number bond. You have to have your adding number sentence and your takeaway number sentence. And don't forget that answer. Remember, your answer is your missing part. You guys are getting so good at this. Keep it up. And I can't wait to see your lovely work on Seesaw.